You finished school? Now what? The world is changing fast, and the future belongs to those with digital skills. At the College of Contract Management UK, we're offering you a free opportunity to start your career in one of the world's most in-demand industries, IT. The College of Contract Management is a trusted UK institution known for delivering high-quality online education to students around the world. Our new foundational diploma in IT is designed to give school leavers the essential skills and confidence to take their first step into the tech industry, completely free of charge. Through interactive online classes and practical assignments, you'll learn the foundations of computing, software, and technology. Whether you dream of becoming a software developer, network engineer, or simply want to build the digital skills every modern job requires, this course is your gateway. It's 100% online, flexible, and designed for beginners, so you can learn from anywhere at your own pace. Spaces are limited. Don't miss your chance to start your IT journey today. Register now, www.uniccm.com, and take your first step towards a brighter digital future.